honestly, I hope. Very good. See, that's yummy. Now you ain't got to go all the way to the lake for a drink. Oh my God, if he isn't darling. He keeps seeing himself.
Uh-huh.
Oh, he just laid down, play in the water.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, let's try stepping in it.
You can stand in one though and drink from the other.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, there's food here.
You what?
Oh yeah, there's food here.
But let's put our foot in one now.
Uh-huh.
And lay in the other one. Beaker, you are silly. Oh my God, if he ain't cute. If he is not just adorable.
Oh my God.
And you wonder why I can't just up and leave him.
Yep.
Another one? Really?
Yep.
Well, you're full of presents all of a sudden. It's all that good food, huh? That's all right. I make the food and I clean up the presents.
There ain't nobody in there.
See, he's using the new dish.
Mm-hmm.
The only problem, I'll have to scoop the food out, put it back in the container, and then just put the container in and wash the dish out each feeding.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But he can at least have food and water
Mm-hmm.
until he decides to lay in it. Then again, we might have to just use it the way it is. Food on one, water in the other two. At least till he gets used to it.
Yep. There still ain't nobody in there.
I can see when he gets older and can actually fly. Him flying off, doing his little ducky things, and then flying back for dinner.
Mm-hmm.
Bringing up babies with him.
Oh, God.
Or her, whichever it is. God, he ain't darling. There's a big old herring or an egret. Beaker, you don't walk in it. You drink it. Silly. Or wash your face at least.
What you doing down there?
He is fascinated by the water now.
Mm-hmm.